This video is about geometric constraints. Geometric constraints can be created as you go. So if I click and make a line here, I can move it around, and Inventor will make a geometric constraint of a horizontal as I go if I want that, if I let it do it. And it's got the little picture there called a glyph, which indicates that's horizontal. So I'm going to click here and out here, maybe over here, and finally as I come back to here, you can see there's another little picture with the arrow pointing at a point. That means a coincident constraint, so I've closed that four-sided figure. Say I want to make this into a rectangle. First thing I'm going to do so it doesn't jump around is I'm going to use this constraint, the coincident constraint. So I'm going to click there, and I'm going to make this point here coincident with the origin. And then I'm going to make, say, these two lines perpendicular. So I come up here to the perpendicular constraint, click this line and this line, and those are perpendicular. If I want to see the constraints, I right-click, Show All Constraints, or press F8. As you can see, this is the glyph for horizontal, this for perpendicular. Let me make this line and this line parallel using the parallel tool. And finally, let me again use the perpendicular constraint to make these two lines perpendicular, and I've got my rectangle. If I have a curved object in my sketch, such as a circle, there are geometric constraints I can place on those. For example, this is the concentric tool, so those circles are now concentric. And then I can have the tangent constraint. If I click here and then here, and that makes it tangent. And you can see that it grows the circle to be tangent. If I undo that and first give it a dimension, any dimension, and then I hit the tangent constraint, instead of growing the circle, it'll move it over so that it's tangent. So you can see the tangent constraint here. I don't see the concentric constraint for these two circles, and I should. So let me try something. I can hit right-click, Hide All Constraints, or F9. Right-click, Show All Constraints, and there are the concentric glyphs. Thanks for watching.